Hi, this is Dane from Ishlangu Technologies. Today I'd like to demonstrate the flexibility and power Ishlangu gives you when it comes to application traffic management and control. In this video, I will show you specifically what you can do with uControl script in terms of modifying the actual application traffic as it is moving through Ishlangu. The web service I have here is incorrectly displaying users and their social security numbers. In order to prevent sensitive data from leaving your infrastructure, you can apply a small bit of uControl script to the service in Ishlangu. This will transform the data as it's moving through Ishlangu towards the client, enabling you to mask that sensitive information. This service is currently being published by an Ishlangu Application Delivery Controller. Let's go ahead and log into the controller. Do this by navigating to the admin console URL. And logging in. Navigate to Proxies tab. Please note the IP address of the proxy. It's the same as the service IP address. As you can see, this is a simple configuration of a proxy with a single rule dispatching requests to the backend server. I have a uControl script rule in my repository that I can add to this proxy in order to mask the social security numbers being displayed. Go ahead and add that in now. I've added the rule to the response processing side of the proxy, as we want to mask the data that is moving towards the client from the backend web server. You can view the syntax of the rule by clicking on the View button. uControl script has some fairly high-level, application-specific functions available to it. If you want to retrieve the body of a response, all you have to do is invoke the http.getBody function, store it in a variable, and then work with it. In this rule, I'm using a regular expression string that will look for the pattern that matches the social security numbers. I also have a string that I want to replace the pattern with. And the body I want to transform. I then use the replace all function to replace all matching patterns in the body with the replacement string. Finally, I take the modified body and invoke the setBody method. Go ahead and save those changes to the proxy. Now that the rule has been saved to the proxy, let's go ahead and refresh the page on the web service. As you can see, the social security numbers have been masked, leaving the names intact. This is a very quick example of the sorts of things you can do as far as modifying data as it moves through the Ishlangu Application Delivery Controller.